Okay, this guy is ploughing in the old stalks of the rice that they've just harvested, and if I'm right, this field will now be left fallow. They have 3 crops a year, so they rotate on a 4-field system. So by ploughing in the stalks, they're actually fertilizing the field at the same time. Very efficient cultivation of rice here. They have 3 harvests a year. It's all mechanized now, but they still do use oxen. Excuse me, coughing. Just had a very fast ride down here to the dog. Okay, so they've harvested. Nothing's wasted here. They will use the stalks that they've already taken. They'll be used for animal feed. And of course they're pushing this back in now, which will help to fertilize the field. I don't know what these birds are, but they're always around when the rice harvest is going on.